Taking time to slow down in our hectic world is so important. Everything around us tends to move so quickly that it's vital to intentionally try to take moments for ourselves where we move more slowly, where we take time for self-care, and where we connect within. And the winter season is truly perfect for this. Nature has slowed down and we can too. Hey guys, I'm Tara and welcome to today's wintry vlog. Today's video is sponsored by Megan.mornan, an associate for ASEA. I'm so grateful for this sponsor, and later in this video I'll be sharing with you their 4-step skincare system, which is a perfect way to slow down and take time for self-care. Before we get into the rest of the vlog, one other announcement is my Patreon is live. So there's going to be different tiers for the Patreon. So each month we're going to have a specific topic. This month the topic is grounding. So for the first tier, you get an intro video where we talk about the topic and some ways you can work to cultivate that quality in your life. And then you get a 15-minute meditation. And then if you get the second tier, you get all of that plus an hour-long yoga flow dedicated to the topic of the month. So it's a good way to really just deepen your yoga practice, to get longer meditations and longer yoga flows if you like practicing with me. So I'll put a link in the description down below so you can check that out. And with all that said, let's get into the rest of this cozy winter vlog. Taking time for small comforts is a great way to connect with the winter season. I think of this season as a time to be cozy and nurtured, and many small things that you already do can help you to start to slow down in life if you just do them with intention, like making a cup of tea or watering your plants. Being present and not rushing to the next thing is really the key. I love eating with the seasons, and in the winter I love to make a warming breakfast. Usually this will be oatmeal. I use steel cut oats, but I do soak them the night before so they actually cook really quickly, and also soaking them makes them easier to digest, so 2 for 1. The key to making oatmeal actually taste good, other than sweetening it, is to add some toppings. So today I have a banana, which I know that's not necessarily seasonal, but I'm not perfect. Also, I don't know if bananas are ever really in season since they don't grow anywhere near where I live. So anyway, I'm also having some sliced almonds, cocoa nibs or cacao nibs. It's like healthy chocolate, and a scoop of yogurt. The yogurt on top is my favorite part. And remember, cooking doesn't always have to be a chore. Make it a task where you take time to be present. So even if you don't have time and you're making like instant oatmeal or something, you could still be present and you could still add on some enjoyment by maybe like simply adding some different toppings. So these little changes can change your mindset and your energy on how you approach your day. Meditation is great at all times of the year, but especially in the winter. Winter is all about bringing your attention within and slowing down, and what better way to do that than to meditate? Practicing meditation makes practicing slow living much easier. Meditation is preparing you to live more slowly and more mindfully. Lately, I've been enjoying meditating in my living room more than being in my dedicated meditation space. I'm not sure if it's all the plants surrounding me in here that helps me to feel closer to nature in these colder months, but I'm going with it. There's such power in just listening to your energy. Now we'll take a moment to talk about our video's sponsor. Megan sent me ASEA's 4-step skincare to test out, and I've been loving it so far. The ASEA Renew Advanced Skincare System is formulated based on science-backed redox principles and includes safe and healthy ingredients you can trust. Redox is a molecule which is native to the human body and supports communication at the cellular level, helping improve the healthy, youthful appearance of your skin. This system is natural and suitable for all skin types, and it's free of all the bad stuff. It's entirely gluten-free, fragrance-free, and cruelty-free. And it doesn't include any animal-based ingredients, parabens, artificial colors, or sulfates. Now let's look at how to use the system and how you can add it to your self-care routine. So first up, we cleanse the skin using the Renew Advanced Foaming Cleanser. This cleanser gently cleanses your skin without stripping it of its natural oils. Second, we tone and balance the skin with the Renew Advanced Balancing Toner. You just gently press this product into your skin. I like to use my hand since it's less waste, but you could also use a cotton ball. This balancing toner really just refreshes your skin and results in a nice, smooth, consistent appearance. And between each step of this skincare routine, you do want to wait for the previous step to completely dry. And this can be really helpful for you if you are working to practice slow living because you're not rushing to the next step. So it is a nice way to really just slow down and be present. The third step is to use the Renew Advanced Glow Serum. This gives your skin a little extra support by helping build a natural barrier that results in more hydrated, radiant, and re-energized skin. And I love a good serum. It's always my favorite skincare product, and this one feels great. The last step is to use the Renew Advanced Hydrating Cream. And I love the pump bottle on this because then the product doesn't get stuck under my nails like some other bottles where you have to scoop it out. So I really do enjoy that this has that little pump on there that brings the product up to you. And you'll notice the colors of the bottles become darker from one step to the next, and this signifies the concentration of the redox in each step. So the amount of redox increases as you go along. I've been really enjoying these products. I like how the system is laid out for you, and my skin has been feeling really great with them, which is the most important thing. I'll include links in the description below where you can purchase these products, or you can also just click the link to learn more about this system. Thank you, Megan, so much for sponsoring this video. I think the best part of winter is just getting extra cozy at night, and what better way to do that than with some hot chocolate. I make my own hot chocolate mix in like a 2-to-3 ratio of cocoa powder to sugar. I pre-make a large kind of container of this because my husband does like to use this mixture in his coffee, but it's also great to use to make hot chocolate as well. Today I'm using half almond milk and half regular milk just because I have both in my fridge that are open and I'm trying to use them up, but you can use whatever milk you prefer. So just heat up the milk, and this can be a really mindful task too because it does take some time since you want to do this slowly so it doesn't burn and stick to the bottom of the pot. So it is a nice task to do, to just be mindful and present. And then I stir in 2 tablespoons of the chocolate sugar mixture, and that's it. You have your hot chocolate, and it's not necessarily healthy because there is still a lot of sugar in it, but it is healthier than a lot of the pre-made hot cocos out there. And anyway, you don't need every single thing you eat to be healthy. So yeah, this is my favorite nighttime winter drink. It's so simple, but so good. And it's just a great way to help you feel cozy at the end of a winter day. The takeaway here is to really just slow down in the winter, take time to really be present in the moment, take time to turn your attention within, and just enjoy the season. Each and every season offers its own beauty, and I used to really dislike winter, and now I really love it so much just because I've changed my perspective and just because now I'm really working to align myself with each season and I can appreciate them on a deeper level. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also my Patreon is live, so if you are interested in learning more about my Patreon and joining or just seeing what I have to offer, I'll put a link in the description down below. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.